BizShort in seconds, say what matters. The International Monetary Fund, IMF, raised its growth forecast for India's fiscal year 2025 to 26 to 6.6%, up from its previous estimate of 6.4%. The revision comes despite new US tariffs on Indian exports, pointing to India's resilient private consumption and robust domestic demand. In its World Economic Outlook report, the IMF noted India's growth in the April to June quarter reached 7.8%, the highest among major economies. The agency added that improved investment and strong services sector performance contributed to the upgrade. However, while 2025 to 26 looks favorable, the IMF trimmed its projection for 2026 to 27 to 6.2%, citing global trade policy uncertainty and weaker external demand. It warned that India's export-oriented sectors could come under pressure if US tariffs on Indian goods remain at elevated levels. The IMF also emphasized that inflation and the current account deficit must be monitored closely, though it noted inflation remained moderate in India at around 3.1%. Analysts say the upward revision underlines India's shifting growth model from export-led to domestic demand-driven. Yet they caution the challenge ahead. Sustaining growth above 6% will require stronger capital expenditure, supply chain resilience and export resurgence. The Indian government welcomed the IMF upgrade as validation of its reform agenda. The move may also help India attract foreign investment amid rising global uncertainties. The focus will now turn to how India navigates external shocks, tariff headwinds and structural reforms to convert strong momentum into lasting growth. Source: Reuters. Stay tuned on BizShort for more such updates.